How to activate Wells Fargo credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your Wells Fargo credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Wells Fargo credit card. After you search for that, you can simply find the official site of Wells Fargo. Simply tap on wellsfargo.com. After you tap on that, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top right, tap on sign on. As usual, you can use the application for activation or you can directly get it from here. Simply tap on cross icon at the top right, and from here you'll have to just provide your username and password of your account. After you provide your username and password, tap on sign on at the bottom or you can directly use your passkey if you have it. After you enter the correct password, you can simply activate your Wells Fargo credit card. If you have forgotten your password, simply you can recover it by typing in the option forgot username or password. And that's it. This is the method to activate Wells Fargo credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.